Welcome back to the channel. As many of you guys know, VLs have absolutely dreadful headlights. I mean, they're bad. Like, sometimes I can drive around just with my high beams on and people don't even flash me because they're that bad. So today what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade the headlight wiring harness. So basically it's going to have some dual 40 amp relays. What that's going to allow us to do is ensure that we get direct battery voltage straight to the headlights. It will also enable us to run higher wattage globes if we want to. VLs are renowned for melting fuses in the fuse box, and normally it starts with the low beams and high beams. Generally this is because people run far too higher wattage globes for what the factory system is designed to allow. I've already replaced my fuse rail, so I've got an upgraded fuse rail in there so it doesn't melt. So this is the last piece of the puzzle, is upgrading the relay harness. Basically it's going to use my existing headlight harness as a bit of a switch. So the harness will connect directly to the battery. There'll be some grounds. I'll have one plug will plug into the existing harness, and then that'll act as a switch, and then I'll have two other plugs that is going to plug into the back of the high low beam H4 style globe. Should be pretty straightforward. I'll do my best to guide you through the process if it's something that you want to do to your own VL or own car. I had an opportunity to buy the one for the high beam as well, but I just bought the one for the low beam. So I think the high beam's okay. I don't think I need to upgrade both, but it would be definitely nice if I could just get more out of the factory low beams. At the moment this has got like LED globes in it. They're not the best. You can always go like HIDs and stuff like that with ballast boxes and all that kind of crap. I'm not too keen to do that, to be honest. I'm keen to try this out and see what it's like. This harness only cost me, I think, 125 bucks on eBay. It's a nice little wiring harness. It's all terminated, everything like that. It's all, you know, it's got sheathing on the outside, so it's gonna last. It's gonna look good, and there's plenty of length here to get to the headlights that I need to. So let's get stuck into it. Righto, so here's the harness. So where are we? This will connect to the battery positive. These are my relays here, so I'll need to find somewhere to mount those on this side. This is going to plug into my existing harness. This will plug into the driver's side headlight globe, and there's a little earth there to chassis, and then I've got the other side. This will plug into passenger side low beam, and another earth as well. So pretty straightforward. First thing you always want to do, if you're ever doing any electrical stuff, always disconnect your battery. That way if you have an issue or something, you don't fry something that you're not meant to, and then your car will start afterwards. So let's do that. Alright, so that was pretty straightforward. I ended up taking the battery out just so I could mount the relays just behind there. That was probably the best spot. I already had a hole, so I just did a riv nut, put it there. Fuses here, ran to the positive, came down here, went to the headlight, along down here, behind this little radiator shroud, down to the other headlight. I had a little threaded hole already down here, so I just cleaned that up and then used that as the ground. And then over here I had another similar thing for a ground, and it's done. And let's turn it on. So they definitely look brighter already, but it's going to be hard to tell until I take it for a drive tonight. So I'll take it for a boost and see if these headlights are better. If it's still not good with these LEDs, then I'll just put a higher wattage normal globe in and see what that's like. But I reckon it's going to be pretty good. Alright, so I've just juiced up and now it's night time, so we're going to test these lights out. They are noticeably, or they were noticeably brighter even during the daylight, just against the wall in the shed. So I'm expecting a huge difference at night time. They're not going to be as good as HIDs, but they're going to be better than the factory output of what the VL can do. So that's going to be a huge bonus, because I just want to see better, particularly when I'm driving at night. But I don't want them that bright that I'm going to piss other people off and get myself in trouble. So let's take this thing for a drive and let's suss it out. So definitely a huge improvement. I'm getting a nice clear, white, bright light, but it's not that intense that it's going to annoy anyone. Pretty happy with the outcome. I'm noticing I'm not getting any flickering like I did before, because now I'm getting a constant voltage to the headlights. So it's really good. I'm really happy. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know why I put up with having shitty VL headlights for so long. I'm hoping that any of you with VLs who want to do a harness upgrade, that this video helps you guys. Definitely not as bright as HIDs, but it's 100% better. And like I said, I don't know why I put up with having shit lights for so long. I'm going to bang this edit out now, and I look forward to making the next videos. Stay good. Peace. See you next time.